Hey, welcome back to Legal Clarity. I'm your host. Today we're covering the 5 most common property disputes that homeowners face, and more importantly, exactly how to win each one before they cost you your home, your savings, or years of legal battles. If you own any property, this video could save you everything. Let's get into it. Property disputes are one of the leading causes of financial ruin for homeowners. Not because the law is against them, but because they didn't know their rights until it was too late. Today I'm covering the 5 most common property disputes and exactly what to do to win each one before it costs you your home. Dispute number 1, boundary disputes. This is the most common property conflict in America. A neighbor builds a fence, plants trees, or extends a driveway onto your land. If you ignore it long enough, you already know from our previous video, they can legally claim that land through adverse possession. How to win? Get a professional survey immediately. Send a written cease and desist letter. File a boundary line action in court if necessary. Document everything. Speed is everything in boundary disputes. Every year you wait strengthens their claim and weakens yours. Dispute number 2, easement conflicts. An easement gives someone the legal right to use part of your property. A shared driveway, a utility access path, a neighbor's right to cross your land. Most homeowners don't even know what easements exist on their property until a conflict arises. How to win? Pull your property's title report before any dispute escalates. Understand exactly what easements exist and what rights they grant. If a neighbor is using your property beyond the scope of a recorded easement, that is trespassing, and you can pursue legal action. Dispute number 3, HOA and zoning violations. Homeowners associations and local zoning boards have significant legal authority over what you can do with your own property. Violations can result in fines, forced modifications, and even liens on your home. How to win? Read your HOA documents and local zoning laws before making any changes to your property. If cited for a violation, respond in writing immediately, request a hearing, and document all communications. Many HOA violations are withdrawn when homeowners push back formally. Dispute number 4, title disputes. A title dispute means someone is challenging your legal ownership of the property. This can happen when a previous owner had an undisclosed lien, an error in the deed chain, or a forged signature in the property's history. How to win? Always purchase title insurance when buying property. Title insurance protects you from pre-existing claims against the property that weren't discovered during the sale. If a title dispute arises, contact your title insurance company immediately. This is exactly what the insurance is for. Dispute number 5, neighbor construction and nuisance claims. A neighbor builds a structure that blocks your light, causes flooding on your property, or creates excessive noise or smells. These are called nuisance claims, and they are legally actionable. How to win? Document the nuisance with photos, videos, and written logs. Send a formal written notice to the neighbor. If unresolved, file a nuisance claim in court. Courts regularly order neighbors to modify or remove structures that constitute a legal nuisance. Here is the bottom line for all 5 disputes. Document everything immediately. Respond in writing to every conflict. Never assume a property dispute will resolve itself. It almost never does. And for any dispute involving potential court action, consult a real estate attorney before you take any legal steps. The cost of a 1-hour consultation is nothing compared to the cost of losing your home. And that's it. 5 disputes, 5 ways to win. Document everything, respond in writing, and never wait. If you're dealing with any of these right now, share this video with someone who needs it. And subscribe so you don't miss next week, where we cover how to legally protect your money before a lawsuit even starts. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.